there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for bringing your amazingness here to my channel today. I'm very excited to have you. So for today's video, I have my everyday makeup routine for you guys. I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see, and we got a lot of votes for everyday makeup routine. So here it is for you guys. I'm really excited to share with you guys just the products that I use and just like the makeup look that's like my go-to right now. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Okay, so I don't do too much for my everyday makeup routine because I try to keep it simple and like cute and classy and just, you know, like we're about to go out the door. So I always start off with the Trader Joe's Enriched Moisturizing Face Lotion. This has SPF 15, and then I go in with the sunscreen. So I already went ahead and did that. So I applied that. Next, I'm going to go in with a primer. I am using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer for today. This is what I've been using lately. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of it. And then I'm going to put this all over my face, you know, just make sure that it's in there. I like to pat it in. So guys, I used to love doing makeup videos so much, and I don't know, I always felt like my makeup videos got the most views in a sense, but they got the most negative feedback, and people were just really mean to me, and I was like, oh my gosh. So it kind of steered me away from doing makeup videos because I was like, ooh, I don't want that kind of negativity like circulating around on my channel, and that's why I kind of stopped. But I've always liked to do makeup because I kind of love the way that a lot of makeup artists do their makeup, and you know, like a lot of the beauty gurus, but like I feel like sometimes it's not applicable for every single day, if you know what I mean. So I always try to make it more like everyday girl kind of a thing. So I used to love doing inspired makeup looks, but I don't know guys, like I started getting attacked really badly, and I was like, ooh, I kind of don't want to do this, you know? So I kind of stopped. But let me know if you want me to pick things back up, because I am a little older and I am a little bit more mature in a sense, and things don't really get to me as often. So let me know down below. Okay guys, so sorry for all the rambling. So I go ahead and I let that sit in for a little bit. It's still a little tacky, which is nice, but it's not like super sticky. I have been loving the Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint. So I have the number 9. I feel like it fits me pretty well. It is a little bit dark in a sense, but you know, we're transitioning into the spring and summer, so you know, it's gonna work really well. I'm excited to keep using this. So I just add a little bit on my brush here. I've been using brushes lately instead of beauty blenders, so I add about that much. I add a little rose, and then I go ahead and just start applying it into my face. So I buff it in.
I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the enemy. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me.
Okay, so next I like to just go in with a bronzer. I like to use cream bronzer and then a powder bronzer. So I've been really into the Fenty Beauty Macchiato cream bronzer. It's just so good. Like I love it so much, and we're gonna do that. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this brush here. This is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I've been wanting to use it with actual bronzer, so we'll see, like cream bronzer, so we'll see if this like goes well in here.
Let's take each other out.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go over with a powder bronzer. So I don't know how I feel about this brush yet, but we will see. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, so I'm gonna go in with that one. It's a smaller version, and I'm gonna go in with the bronzer here, and I'm just gonna apply it on top just to kind of give it some definition and to kind of set the cream. So that's what I like to do, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like bronzer always goes away from me, like it disappears. So I feel like this combination has been really well, like it's been working really well in the sense where like my bronzer doesn't just disappear right away. Okay guys, for today's blush, I think I'm going to go in with the Burt's Bees blush in Bare Peach, just for a little peachy action here. I don't know how I feel about my makeup yet with that new brush. I don't know if it's my favorite. I'm just going to go ahead and see what it looks like at the end with everything together, but we're almost done here.
It's gonna be the end. I wanna say something, but you were all that I see.
Okay, so we're almost done with this. I'm going to go in with a mascara. So I really like the Rare Beauty one lately. It's my favorite. So I'm just going to go in and coat my top and bottom lashes.
You cannot lie over my type. You cannot lie over my type. You cannot lie over.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. This is the nude one. I'm going to go in with this. This is kind of a thing where if I have time, I'll do it. But like, I always try to do it because it just makes my eyes look just so bright and big. So I'm going to go in with this into my waterline. Okay guys, someone decided to start mowing their lawn. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Essence Make Me Brow now. This is my jam. I've been using it for like forever. It is my favorite. And I just brush my brows with this. Okay, so then depending how much time I have left or how long I have to do my makeup, I like to go in with the highlighter in this palette and then just put it in the inner corner of my eye. Like I said, I sometimes skip this step, sometimes I forget. It just depends. Today I remembered, so we're doing it. Okay, so usually I like to go in with some kind of lip balm. So today I'm using this EOS one that I just recently picked up. I have not used EOS in such a long time. That or I go in with a Carmax, so one or the other. And then today I'm going to put on the Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Gloss. What is this called? The Gloss Bomb Cream. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this. So most of the time I don't put on a lip product because I do wear a mask a lot still. But today we're not really going to go anywhere. Okay guys, and that is my everyday makeup routine. So I'll try to do a few of these every once in a while because I know you guys really wanted to see this. But yeah, let me know, what do you think? Super easy, super straightforward, you know, nothing that can't be done in like 10 minutes or anything. Yeah, I usually try to do a minimal. Let me know what you think. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, for clicking on my video today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really do hope that you guys give this video a thumb up. If you guys enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. I make all kinds of videos. I make fashion videos, vlogs, lifestyle, beauty, whatever helps us stay positive, and we are on a self-care, self-love type of journey together. So if you're into that, please go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, you are so beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.